and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make some Brazilian truffle brigadeiros. 4 different ways, amazing. Starting with classic chocolate brigadeiros. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter along with 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix them together on a low heat until all combined. Once that's ready, we can remove it from the heat and pour it into a bowl. Now we want to chill that for about 1 hour until set. Spoon some out. And roll your truffle ball. Let's dip it in some chocolate sprinkles. Great! Our chocolate brigadeiros are ready! Let's have a taste. Amazing. Wow! Now for our next flavour. We're going with coconut this time, adding 1 tablespoon of butter and 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, along with 1/2 cup of coconut cream. Mix it all together on a low heat. Pour it into a bowl. Once set, spoon it out and roll your truffle ball. Now let's dip this one in some coconut flakes. Amazing! Look at that! Wow, so tropical! Next we're going with cookies and cream brigadeiros. We need about 10 Oreo cookies and we're going to open them up and remove the cream from the middle. Take the cookies, stick them in a food bag and we're going to smash them with a rolling pin. Let's put our cookie crumbs aside and then heat 1 tablespoon of butter with 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and the cream centres from the Oreo cookies on a low heat, mixing all the while. Pour that into a bowl. Allow it to set. Spoon out some mixture. Roll into your truffle ball. And then coat it in your crushed Oreo cookies. Wow, look at that! Dark on the outside and white in the middle. Last but not least, we're going with strawberry flavour. We've got about 1 cup of fresh chopped strawberries, 1/2 cup of water, and we're going to heat that on a low heat, mixing all the while. Then we'll pour in 14 ounces of our sweetened condensed milk. Lovely. That's about ready to go now. Pour it into your bowl. Allow it to set. And spoon some out to make your truffle ball. We're going to dip this one in some rainbow sprinkles. Very pretty. Very cute. There you have it. Classic chocolate, coconut, cookies and cream, and strawberry brigadeiros. Why not give it a go?